Welcome to Knut Machine Tools, your reliable and quality machine tools provider. Today we present the motorized 3-roller bending rolls KRM AT. The motorized round bending machines of the KRM AT series are equipped with asymmetrically arranged rollers. The asymmetrical arrange facilitates the precise alignment of the sheet metal in the machine. The sheet metal clamped between the parallel rollers maintains its orientation during bending, eliminating unnecessary corrections. In addition, this construction allows a large adjustment range of the rear roller. The rollers made of quality steel are hardened and therefore also suitable for processing stainless steel. Wire insertion grooves may be found on the bottom and rear rollers. The powerful electric motor integrated in the base drives the upper and lower rollers via a reduction gear. An electromagnetic brake prevents the drive from overrunning. Direction of rotation is set using the foot switch and allows full control at every stage of the bending process. The rear roller is adjusted using a hand wheel. A motorized roller adjustment is available as an option. The top roller can be opened using an eccentric lock for easy removal of the workpiece. For conical workpieces, the rear roller can be adjusted on one side by loosening the clutch on the torsion shaft. A stable side bearing absorbs the high forces that occur when machining conical pieces. The KRM AT delivers excellent bending results, is easy to use, reliable, durable and robust. The safety of the operator is also an important aspect of the Knut KRM AT roll bending machines, and the design of the machine was strictly based on compliance with all applicable guidelines. All this makes the Knut KRM AT roll bending machine an excellent choice for many companies in mechanical, steel and plant construction. In this series, our range offers even more bending lengths and outputs, as well as a large number of other high-performance sheet metal processing machines. Contact your nearest Knut representative today to find out more.